learners. Now we are going to take some simple problems regarding design of battery pack, and let us know before that we have to know about what is battery pack and how it is formed and what are all the connection possibilities that is being used for producing with this kind of battery packs. So first of all, um, usually the battery voltages can be increased by adding the individual cells in series combinations. So once if you have two individual cells with 2 volt each, so your uh, yeah, if you connected both batteries in series condition, then your effective voltage across the terminals between these two batteries is 4 volt, because in series connections the voltage gets additive. By the same time, if you want to increase the capacity of I mean current capacity of the of a battery, then you have to combine them in parallel connection. So let us consider a situation. So in this screen we are having one individual cell, lithium ion cell. This is having the capacity of 2 volt 10 milliampere hour. So if you want to increase the capacity, voltage capacity, then you have to put another one cell in series with this, so that you will be having 4 volt. As both get connected in series, you will get 4 volt effectively. If you want to increase the current capacity, then you have to connect the cell in parallel combination. So this will handle 10 milliampere, and another cell will handle another 10 milliampere hour, so that total capacity, current capacity will be 20 milliampere hour. In similar way, we can design a battery pack for our required voltage and current ratings. So let us consider this example. We need to design a 48 volt 1 ampere hour battery pack. For that, we have to calculate the number of cells required to meet the voltage capacity. Similarly, number of cells required to meet the current capacity. So let us first calculate the cells needed to meet the voltage capacity. Here we need 48 volt, right? So the number of cells connected in series can be calculated by required voltage divided by cell voltage. So 48 volt is the required voltage, and we are cell voltage, each individual cell voltage is 2 volts, so we are getting 25 cells to be added in series to meet the 48 volt battery pack requirement. Then for current capacity, we are requiring 1 ampere hour. So the number of cells required to be connected in parallel can be calculated as required capacity is 1 ampere hour divided by the cell capacity. Cell capacity is 10 milliampere hour here. So 1 divided by 10 milliampere can be converted into 0.01 ampere hours. So 1 by 0.01 will be given 100 cells to be connected in parallel. Okay, so it doesn't mean that 24 cells separately connected in series and 100 cells separately connected in parallel. That's not actual meaning. This 24 means this 24 actually means 24 groups of cells. Each groups has to should have 100 parallel combination cells. Okay, now I hope you can understand. So one group should have 100 cells, then second group have another 100 cells. So each group can handle about for example, for example, uh, uh, one cell can handle 10 milliampere hour, right? So for each group we are having 100 cells. Here 100 cells. So 100 cells multiplied by 10 milliampere hour, what will you get? 1000 milliampere hour, which means that 1 ampere hour. So group 1 cells are capable of carrying 1 ampere hour, 1 ampere. So similar kind, if you consider all these groups, each groups will be capable of carrying 1 ampere hour. So as all these groups are connected in series, series circuit should contain same current, right? That's why we are designing such that each group should carry 1 ampere hour, 1 ampere hour. So as at last, when we connected all these groups in series, our voltage will be 48 volt, and current rating capacity is also 1 ampere. So the respective pack connection diagram is available here. So this is the pack summary. So finally, how the connections and specifications you obtain is tabulated here. So the important considerations after the battery pack is designed is you have to protect the pack with BMS, and cell balancing is compulsory, I mean mandatory. Then thermal management, of course, this management can be included in the BMS also. So a fuse, simple fuse for BMS, and also for battery pack will enhance the protection of the whole circuit. So thank you. We will see another topic in the next class. Thank you.